and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to make some oat milk. Now this is really cheap to make and it's so easy and there is absolutely no waste involved, and it's much thicker and creamier than other milks. So it's really nice to have on your cereal or in a cup of tea, and it doesn't curdle like almond milk does. So for it, you're going to need a cup of oats. You will need to soak the oats. Now, if you have overnight, then cold water, leave them to soak overnight, or if you've no time, hot water and leave them soaking for about half an hour, 30 minutes. When they're ready, you'll see the oats will have soaked up most of the water and they'll be nice and soft. You will need to strain out the water and rinse them really thoroughly. If you don't, your milk is going to be really slimy. So what I like to do is do it over a bowl, and then all the leftover water I have, I just use it to feed the plants in the house. Pop the oats then into a high-speed blender and add about 5 cups of water. Now if you want a little bit thinner, add an extra cup. Put it on high speed for about 5 to 10 minutes. The reason why I do it for so long is because I'm not going to strain through the oats, so it's just all going to be together and it really needs to mix thoroughly. If you like, this is totally optional. You can add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you could add a tablespoon of maple syrup. It totally depends on you, but it is absolutely fine to have it plain. Pop it into a jar that you just have in the house and leave it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 days. It's really nice to have in a cup of tea, or you can have it on your cereal, you can have it on your oatmeal or porridge. It's really versatile. It's really nice to have maybe if you're making a hot chocolate because it's so creamy and rich. So that is it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and share with anyone you know. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you'd like to join me next week. And without further ado, see you then. Bye.